Hello, this is Sarah with the Home Shopping Network. Today we have this beautiful one-of-a-kind bracelet to show you guys. As you can see, it is made very precisely with these beautiful green gemstones and interspaced with smaller silver beads and then darker pearl-shaped beads. Overall, there are 4 stones on each bracelet, and it comes with a nice, easy-to-use clasp that can be easily clasped and then removed. Each of these bracelets is handcrafted, so every one is completely individual. As you can see, each stone has different qualities to it that really just highlight the uniqueness of every bracelet that we make. The qualities of these bracelets are they're very good quality, and I sincerely suggest you buy one today. Now, as you can see, our model is demonstrating the easy-to-use clasp on these bracelets. This clasp is a new technology that is incredibly easy to use and can be clasped and unclasped with barely any work. You don't need that extra friend to come in and help you with your bracelet. This you can do all on your own. The easiness that one may associate with this bracelet is just so big, so easy to put this bracelet on. And once it is on, you can just go and show off your uniqueness and your beauty in the form of this beautiful bracelet here that we are showing you today. And I'm Sarah of the Home Shopping Network. Thank you for listening. Hey, I'm Sarah, and it's Tuesday here on VCR. So the question this week is, what would you put into a time capsule? To which I would say, I don't know. I'd probably want to just put a bunch of pictures of people that I'm friends with now and that I know now and that I talk to regularly. Maybe I'd record a Skype call between me and Gabby, Tanner, Alexa, and JJ and put it onto something just to put in there that hopefully can still be played in the future. Because those Skype calls, they're great. Maybe I'd put my phone in there, but if I put my phone in there, then I wouldn't have my phone now, to use. My phone just has, all the things on it that are kind of important. So, maybe my phone? There's not, any magazines I read regularly or things like that are just, tangible objects that I could put into a time capsule. To conclude that bit, I have no idea what I'd put in a time capsule. That's all. I'll see you guys on Sunday.